Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help my channel out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing an acrylic pour swipe 11 by 14. We're going to be using the Artist Loft Premix Ready to Pour paints in titanium white, bright blue, and old gold. I'm going to pour my paint into these cups here and add 5 drops of the Artist Loft brand silicone oil to each of my cups and give that a good mix. The combination of these two products is really good for cells. I've done a lot of testing on my channel, and if you want to get results like this, you should definitely try these two products together: the Artist Loft brand pouring paints from Michaels and the Artist Loft brand silicone oil. And for this swipe, I was actually trying to make big sections of color. I'm just going in and making big sections of each of my colors, and I'm making sure that the sides are all covered as well. And I'm going to go in with the bright blue straight from the bottle and add it to the top of my canvas here. And there's no silicone oil in this color here that I'm adding. That's the color I'm going to be using for my swipe. I'm going to go in with some wax paper and just swipe the whole thing. Super simple and easy. Now I'm going to hit it with my torch and you'll be able to see those fun cells start to develop. And the cells do grow over time. They will get bigger. I wanted to try making big block sections of color on this piece because I have done a few other swipes using these paints, and I added really tiny stripes of color and they turned out a lot different. They still turned out really awesome, but definitely different. So I will link those videos down below and leave them at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to that video. Be sure to go check those videos out too. So here it is about 2 hours later. You can see the cells grew quite a bit. Like I said, as it sits, the cells do grow and continue to develop, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like as it's dry. I think it's really cool. It reminds me of like an underwater scene, and I like the amount of negative space that this swipe has on it. It's got quite a bit of negative space, which is awesome. It gives your eyes kind of a place to rest where there's not lots of cells. So I'm going to let this guy dry for about 24-48 hours, and then I'll show you how it looks when it is all nice and dry. And the Artist Loft pouring paints, all you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. So what I like to do is shake the bottle and then let them sit for about 30 minutes before I use them. And that way, some of the bubbles you introduced while shaking the bottle and mixing will kind of pop on their own, and you will end up with them in your painting. So here it is, all nice and dry. It dried perfectly. I just love this color combination together. I will link these paints down below, and I'll link a few of my other favorite swipes that I've done with these paints. I did a few that were a black, white, and gold. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel a lot. I will leave a few of my favorites right here at the end card screen. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!